How do you name your product? Watch and find out. Hi, beautiful. It's your Jimmylee Steinfeld, JLS. Today we're going to talk about how you can come up with a name for your product. It's really important. It's a part of the product that can identify to a lot of different people. In other words, I came up with a product called the Motivator. So the Motivator is something that kind of motivates somebody to feel and look good. It's a shapewear line, kind of like Spanx, but better. But what I wanted it to do is I wanted it to have a name that excites you. So when you say it, it means something. I came up with the name, trademarked the name, because I wanted to motivate you to stay in shape or stay good or look your best. Again, I think everybody's fabulous the way they are, but a little help can motivate you. I also have my dress line named Jimmylee or JLS, named after me. Trademarked it, patented it. And the reason you do that is because you want to make sure that nobody else has it, can use it, or abuse it. So when you're coming up with a name, it's really important that you Google and see what's out there, see if there's a website available, an Instagram, a YouTube channel. What you want to do is to make sure the name you use is open for you to grab. Now, a lot of times when you're trying to figure out a name, you're going to ask me, well, how do I come up with it? Well, let's talk about your product. If you're talking about you're coming up with a pair of shoes, and all your shoes have a satin base to it, or a thick heel, or a small heel, you can come up with a name that has to do like Satin Heaven, or a Satin Love. You want to come up with something that relates to the product. I also really think it's important, if you love yourself, use your name. And if your name's already taken, let's use a nickname for yourself. But you do want to research it to make sure nobody else has it. Your name has to be unusual, easy to remember, easy to say. You know what RuPaul from the Drag Race show always says, that it has to slide off your tongue. It has to be easy. It has to go. It has to be something that somebody could remember. So the Motivator is very easy. Because everybody's like, can I have another Motivator? Can I have another this? JLS is kind of easy to remember because it's unusual. So try to look for something unusual that represents you. I always look for something that's very positive and that your instinct says go with it. Guys, remember, go on comments, ask any questions you want. Subscribe, send this to your friends. If anybody wants to get into fashion, this is Fashion School 101. So we are here to help you make your dreams come true. This is all I have really done my whole life, is design and help people figure out how fashion could relate to them. I'm going to help you. So stay tuned to our shows. I want you to enjoy, sit back, like me, relax, and remember, JLS, or whatever name you have, is going to be a household name before you know it.